Hi guys, welcome back to another video, obviously, and today we're going to be finally putting on the most important mod to the Corsa. But before I tell you what it is, let me tell you how I realised how badly I actually needed it. So it all started about a week ago when I decided to start taking TikTok seriously and trying to grow my account. By the way, if you guys haven't followed my TikTok, thanks. I was looking absolutely everywhere to find the right trend for my video, and then I finally found it. This is the part where I'm supposed to show what the video is, but it's probably not appropriate for YouTube, so I'll just explain it. Basically, it was a video showing off my card, all the mods I've done to it so far, and then some bloke screaming in the background. And surprisingly, the video started to get a decent amount of views, and everyone seemed to love the Corsa. Until I read this comment.
Where's the Sunstrip? Shake my head.
At first, I was absolutely livid. I was ready to smash OK's face in until I came to a realisation. Where the f*** is the Sunstrip? Basically, for a bit of backstory, right? I've had this Sunstrip sitting in this garage for about 2 months. The reason why I haven't put it on yet is because basically, I bought this for a scrapped video idea that just wasn't ever going to work. That is why we didn't put it on until 2 months later, but today is the day. So boys, I want to make this sort of a tutorial, even though I'm doing it the first time myself, but I want to make this some sort of a tutorial. So here's all the stuff you're going to need. So first things first, you're going to need your Sunstrip, obviously. I got this from Amazon, link will be in the description. Second thing is you're gonna need this. This came in a wallpaper smoothing toolkit from Amazon as well. I'll link this as well. Next, you're gonna need some soapy water. I'm just using this one because it's proper car wash. Don't use like fairy liquid or something because if it hits the paint, it can completely ruin the paint of your car. And lastly, things so you can trim the Sunstrip. I'm just covering the end for YouTube purposes, you know. Right boys, the first thing you want to do is get some masking tape and just mark it about 11 or 10.5 inches from the top to there on both sides, as you can see I've done. And then you're ready for step 2. And I've just completely lied. Basically, the first thing you've got to do is give this a clean. Doesn't look like I've cleaned it, but this is because I've already started to do step 3. So step 2 is the next bit. Give it a nice clean. So boys, step 3 is the soapy water. This is obviously not fast wheel cleaner. It is soapy water, as you can tell when I do this. That is soapy water. And basically what you want to do, you just want to give it a light coat across this whole thing and also a tiny bit on the back of the Sunstrip. So I'm going to do that now. All right boys, pretty much you're going to need like 2 people to just lay it across the top. And as you can see, we've done a little bit. And then you've just got to work through and try and get rid of these like bubbles and creases, you can see right there. They will go eventually, but you just got to keep getting at them. And then as you can see boys, you just got to keep spraying it and keep doing it so it doesn't stick too fast, so you can then do it. But as you can see, this looks pretty good. We just got a few little bits to get rid of, and then it's time to start cutting it. Right boys, as you can see, actually we've done a pretty good job. There's a few little creases you can see there, but you know what I was thinking is that, you know, they could just go off as like a little scratch so it doesn't look like I've done a bad job. Obviously at the minute it looks terrible from far away because you've got all these bits hanging off, but now obviously it's time to give it a little trim. I'll show you what it looks like from this side, and obviously soon we'll have to clean the windscreen. It looks pretty nifty. So guys, obviously let me know how you guys like it. We're gonna give it a trim now. We'll see you then. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, this is all done. Bang, look at that. Wow, that is pretty good. Bloody hell boys, it looks good. It looks really good. Let's front view like that. That looks really nice. So guys, we're gonna obviously give this a clean in a few hours time after it's set to dry. We're gonna give it a nice little clean, then I'll show you the proper final result. Yes boys, we have finally finished it. As you can see, just look how amazing that looks. That is absolutely incredible. Yes guys, that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And boys, this is what it looks like from inside. Look at that. So this is like how I'm sitting and all that. So yeah, I can see it, but honestly, it's a Sunstrip to block the sun, no? And other things to make it look cooler and to shut that guy in the comment section up, but it's to block out the sun. So yes, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see a drive with me all the way to McDonald's, click there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys.